Hi, I'm Haley Menard from the Sugar Burger, and today we are making a Missouri classic ooey gooey butter cake with a simple box mix. You can be a showstopper at your next potluck. We're recording. The first step of this ooey gooey butter cake is to mix your cake mix with butter, teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. This is going to make like the base layer of the cake. This guy needs to be melted, so we get to give the microwave some action. Going to unwrap this like a raccoon. In it goes. Let's get to melting. It's gonna take more than 30 seconds for sure. Let's see how far I can get on opening this box. This recipe, although it seems very Southern, originated in St. Louis, Missouri, or so say the internet. Cake mix in. That's a standard yellow cake mix. Oh my gosh, now it's standard all over the floor. Miko, you can look that up if you want. I don't think you want to. Not even close to melted. Did you smell the butter? He smelled the butter and came out of hiding. If you've been following along, you know that's his one true love. But you're mine. Look at, these are my Miko shoes. My new shoes I'll show off while we're microwaving. Miko, do you like these? Check them out. Ordered them off the internet. Yep. Woo! Extra 30 seconds really got her. She's pretty much melted. I'm gonna use my new birthday whisk. So it's one of my many treasures I got this birthday. In goes the butter. I'm gonna zhuzh this around just so that the butter cools off a little bit before we put in the eggs. Nothing worse than scrambled eggs when you're trying to have dessert. Oh my goodness. This whisk is probably like, what house have I ended up in? She just tried to mess me up. Oh no, Michelle. 2 eggs. You wanna see this kind of action, Susan? Pow!
Was that a weird one?
It was just, I think I broke it midair. You'll have to do a slow-mo replay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Bloop. Let's get her whisking. Sorry, I can't angle it at you. It's too thick of a batter. Need all my power. This is very thick. Sweaty. Just want to make sure I got most of the lumps and bumps out so that we don't have any like weird dry puff spots when you dig into your cake. That wouldn't be ideal. Good maiden voyage. This is gonna be spread on a 9x13 traditional standard regular cake pan. Let me try the counterpiece. Good. Yeah, it's good. Oh, in she goes. Come on. It's a half a stick of butter. It should not stick. That would be crazy. That's what my mom used to always say when we were baking. I'm not spraying the pan. There's enough butter in this. So now I've just officially turned into her at the age of 38. It's happened. There's enough butter in here. I guess we'll find out. I don't think the service of this cake is like particularly elegant, so it's okay anyhow. There we go. Our next layer is going to be, you wanna try it? Yeah, that's drool worthy. Amen, brother. The next layer is going to be cream cheese, eggs, powdered sugar, vanilla again, and we're gonna put it on top of that base. Let's get Little Miss Stand Mixer, who did get some love on the internet. Someone said, oh my gosh, I love that bowl. Shout out to Nate for picking it out. Limited edition, Christmas 2021? I don't know. If you know, let me know. I guess I could go back to my Christmas archives. You can also try, let's see if the scritcher works. We have a new, oh, I don't know. I think my bowl might be too big. That's okay. We'll give her a rinse and give it a try. Yeah, she doesn't reach scritching. Oh, maybe she does. She does. She's gonna scritch for us. Okay, we're supposed to get no stickages now. None. I'll never have to say, scritch the bowl. Time for scritching. I won't have to say it now, I don't think. Cream cheese packages. In Philadelphia, we're not cheap. Teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. Bloop. That was a shell. Did you see it?
No.
That was a shell. I thought I saw a shell. Yeah. Great. Nate's definitely gonna get the shell. I'll tell Nate when he gets the shell that it's a sign of good fortune and much luck and 10,000 golden coins. You like this one? Look at that. Plow! I'm trying to give you some egg action, baby. Oh, here we go. Whipping it up. It seems to be scritching so far. Very little amounts of debris on the outside of the bowl. Between this and the microwave, I'm not gonna have to do much ever again. Our cream cheese probably could have been a little softer. I did just send Nate to the store. That would have helped it incorporate a little bit easier, but that's okay. Now, powdered sugar time. 4 cups. It says a little bit at a time. So I'll go like a half a cup at a time. Get that off your face, girl. I can go a little more than that. I mean, we're here for a good time, not a long time. So that's our first 2 cups. Okay, I get it. My bad. But look at the sides, they're getting scratched. How exciting. Oh, that's wonderful. We'll just do 1 cup this time instead of trying to put 2 in there. It's a lot of powdered sugar. Nope. Why did I do that? Oh no. The air tastes wonderful though. Wow. Our last cup. I'm gonna go a little heavy on the last half a cup because it's all over the kitchen. Very slow. Girl, please. It's gotta be the scritcher. She's so aggressive. Okay, well, this is the low sugar version. That's all. Low sugar version. Good for you. That was chaotic. The cream cheese definitely could have incorporated better. But you know, we were in a time crunch and these things happen. So now we're gonna put this on top of our cake batter. I don't even know what to do here. I gotta come out of the set area. See what I mean? Cream cheese is a little chunky monkey because it was a little cold. I think it's gonna melt in just fine. Our 2 layers are ready to rock and roll. Goes in the oven, 350 for 40 minutes. Oven walk. Whew. Well, now there's nothing to do but wait. I will clean up our 1990s stockbroker party that we have here on the counter and then see you when the cake's done. Are you ready? I'll do more claps because this is a short video. Butter cake, ready. Oh yeah, she brown. Woo! We'll just make sure cooked all the way through with our handy dandy martini olive pick. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yeah, that's for sure done. That's cream cheese, that's fine. The cake is done. Let it cool for a couple minutes and then I don't know if this gets served in like squares or if you just like scoop chunks out. What do you think? Square. Let's give it a few minutes to cool and then we'll try serving her up. We're gonna try to plate this bad ride. I'm gonna go around the edge and we're gonna see if our theory that there was enough butter in here is true. All sticky. It is ooey and gooey. That is a fact. Oh gosh, I didn't get under it hard enough. It's hot. It's hot, but it's good. We got a square. That's all we needed. Man. We don't even need to see it. Look away. It's very good. Let's clean this up a little. If we had berries or something, that would look nice. All right, we're dusting. Beautiful. She's dusted and ready for action. Taste test time. Hi, welcome.
Thanks. What do you got here?
I have a fork for you.
Fork for me.
This is an ooey gooey butter cake.
That sounds good.
Hails from St. Louis, Missouri.
Oh, we went there.
Old ladies in the comments of all recipes were like, I've been making this for 80 years. It's true, there's one that actually says that. And they said it's always a hit.
Just anywhere?
Yeah. What kind of question was that? When you get dessert at a restaurant, do you go, should I just buy it anywhere?
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah?
I like that.
You helped with this too. You went to the store
Yeah,
all by yourself.
The items for this.
You did really good. What does it taste like?
It is ooey gooey.
Yeah?
That middle is like very soft.
Buttery?
Buttery. Top is nice and like flaky. You get the little crunch, and then you get that like mushy inside, which is nice.
Yeah.
That's what I call it, but
Let me try.
that's really good.
Should I just do it anywhere?
I would go from that side.
Oh, my mistake.
Personally.
My mistake. Good cake.
That's very good. No frosting needed. Good job on that one.
What out of 10 do you give it?
I give this like a 9.2.
Wow.
I would eat this a lot.
Wonderful. Well, there's no need to say anything else. 9.2 in the books. My brother, as an adult, was too embarrassed. It's exciting stuff. Perfect. This is the whisks.
Oh no!
What?
I was just thinking, why didn't you put your birthday gift whisk attachment onto that, and then we could just scrape it off? Because it's sitting on top of my cabinet in my living room.
That's okay. I think it only fits the attachment anyway. I don't have any spray, so no, I'm out. Oh no! Holy cow.
Do you dust the top with powdered sugar and lemon?
Powdered sugar, you can't dust with lemon. That's not a thing. Powdered sugar, but it's hot. So like if you put it on now, it's gonna disappear. It does a disappearing act.
Yeah.
It's still
They're
pretty
like
hot.
lemons.
Dust it with lemon.
Drizzle.
Dust it with lemon.
Do you have raspberries?
Nope.
Do you have lemon?
There's no lemon in this recipe, Susan. None. You can't have it. Right into the intro.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I do
So
like dusting.
Beautiful. Oh, he was going.
You were gonna do it, you dirty thing.
He was like, nudging.
Dude, I know he thinks he's fun.
Rico, really, I get close and you have to just squeeze in the middle.
I feel like he knows like a picture is being taken. No, he smells the butter. Every time there's a butter heavy recipe, here he is.
Okay, get down. Hey, don't make us look bad.
Yeah, people are gonna comment rude about you.
Ready for a try. Miko, down.
Literally said no.
Miko, down. Susan, do you like my new shirt?
Yeah, it's
You're a
cute.
good boy.
What is it? Killington, Vermont. The Beast
Of the East.
It's a bear.
The Beast of the East.
It's a bear.